Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to add fonts to your CapCut mobile application. So I'm going to go ahead and open the application itself. Now if you don't already have a project, you're going to click on new project over here and click on whatever video you're trying to select. So I'm just going to pick a random video just for the sake of this video. I'm going to click on add and the video pops into this new window. And as you guys can see in the bottom, there's a ribbon where it says text. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on add text and I can write down whatever I want. So I'm just writing the font. And if I click on fonts over here, it leads me to other options for fonts. So I can add fonts, I can see my brand fonts, or the fonts in the English section that CapCut offers itself, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to add fonts. So I'm going to click on add fonts, the plus sign. Now I do need a font that is downloaded and shows up in my download section. So I need to go to a online website to download whatever font that I like. I'm going to go to dafont.com, and the fonts really, they just pop right up. You can see the name of the fonts right here. You can see the download option at the right. So I'm just selecting optimal. I'm going to let it download. And if I click on the downloaded file, I let it open. I will have to extract, since it is a zip file, I will have to open it up. So I'm just letting my phone operating system open it on its own. So it's going to unzip it. I'm clicking on the extract files to option, which is number 2. I have to select a file from my local storage where it's going to go and unzip. So I'm selecting documents and I'm going to extract it over there. It's just going to unzip and paste it to my documents section. And as you guys can see on the second option, it says optional. I click on it and that's the font that has been downloaded and it has been unzipped. So I go back to my CapCut application. I am clicking on add font again, tapping on the 3 lines on the top left corner of my phone so I can see where my downloads are. On the second option, it says downloads. Now, as you guys can see, I can only see the zip file here. That's because I had stored the unzipped one on my local phone storage. So I'm going to go to Redmi Note 10 Pro or whatever phone you have, it's going to show. I'm going to go to my document section because that's where I had stored the unzipped file. And it says optional right there. I'm going to click on it again as to select it. And the font has been uploaded. Optional. There. I click on optional and the font shows right up. And that is how you add a font to your CapCut mobile application. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. Goodbye.